PC.
Something.
Most of you who I will not be having as students anymore because you're non-broad majors. I hope that broadcasting for you has been a great journey. And as much as I want you guys to be in any of my electives, if I get higher broadcasting subjects, hinahayo pwede roon. Oo, sana bumagsak na lang kayo lahat. Ang semestre natin. The first class, no? And yung second class ko naroon, no? So hindi ko pwede sabihin mas magaling kayo. I don't compare my class.
Parehong magaling.
Tama. Pa sa second class ng broad majors na nariyan. Remember that broadcasting is not a single word. It's not a single performance. It's a group effort. And no matter how good you are as a director, no matter how good you are as a leader, it is the group that makes you work. So, yung two productions, I have realized that as a group, no matter what happens, no matter how Jenny writes and makes me insecure. Very pretty ang kinaganda niya ngayon. Gali namin niya. What I would like to tell everybody is thank you for the everything. For especially the feeling ko si Carolina. Showbiz lingo ang dating. Sabi ko niya never do a showbiz lingo. I'm sorry for all the shortcomings during the semester because this is my first semester and I hope that you don't mind being the guinea pig of sobrang dami na ones. If I could raise grades higher, 0.75, a lot of my students will get them. Not because I think that it's because of me, no. It's because together you work as the best. Synergy is more than the sum of the parts. And alone, you may think you're good, but together you're a blast. So I don't like to cry.
Okay na kayo mo.
One thing I want after the semester is that I don't just become your former instructor, but more friend. That no matter what kind of help you need, except financial. because when I came back to the university to teach, that's the only thing that I lost, monetary rewards. But I guess smiles are better than money anyway. Hindi ako lilipat ng FEU because I love UP. Kahit walang gwapo. Kahit walang gwapo na pwede kong patulan. So marami akong gwapo na classmates. At type ko raw sila.
Wala na pwede na sa Vietnam.
Sa Vietnam.
Hindi, Sir Roy, hindi kita nakita sa video. So magpakita ka muna.
Oh, nakita niyo na ako eh.
What do you want me to say except thank you?
Ma'am, last nagpapagawa lang kami.
Show me the way to
Kasi hindi namin tapos yung backdrop eh. Walang grade sa kapirma.
Kapirma mo.
Thrilling. Malaking pencil pen. Oh my God.
Excuse me.
Quiet.
Excuse me.
Ano yan? Papauwi kay Ma'am yan, papadami rin.
Wow.
Yun.